What is happening, you guys? It is your boy Dob coming at you with a new video, and happy Valentine's if you're into that. Hope you're spending some good quality time with your partner or the one you love today, this Valentine's. If you are into that, shouts out to you guys. To celebrate this celebratory time, I have a dark figure. I have a dark figure called Shadow Squall. Shadow Squall is essentially the addition to Dark Cloud that I made of embodying Final Fantasy characters with merely a mask and a scarf, and I wanted to continue that theme with Squall. So, and Shadow Squall, obviously, that may sound like a corny name, but to be honest, I didn't know what else to call him. I didn't want to call him Ninja Squall because that would seem pretty corny, and he's not essentially a ninja. Anyway, who cares, right? I made this in C4D, and if you hadn't noticed already, C4D just released the R25 update, and it looks strangely, if you can tell its dark interface, it looks very strangely like another program that's also has kind of the same interface. It's very expensive, and it has kind of the same aesthetics as another program, right? Coincidence? Maybe. But yeah. I still use C4D, for those who are wondering, to kind of, I guess, really just make sure that I have everything polished and ready to go to put in Blender. I use essentially the volume mesher a lot and the remesher to combine meshes, because all of this is, again, old assets that I used to use back then when I used to draw over a lot of the 3D models. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ham just like I did with Cloud and do it for Squall. So as you can see here, I have everything pretty much ready to go. Save this as an FBX, and yeah, I think I have everything already over here. I did all the wrinkles and the knives, the wrinkles with the knife tool. Okay, all right. So now we're going into Blender. I essentially dropped Squall off in the same file that I did for Dark Cloud, or the Cloud file, and all Squall really has is essentially black and white. And instead of the Leonhart being blue, I decided to just go ahead and make it red and kind of make it a little different. But yeah, as you can see, I'm putting all the materials here, and yeah, I have everything pretty much good to go. And of course I'll show what the end product of what this looks like in the end, but this is basically the same kind of workflow that I did for Cloud. It's just a little bit more faster and easier. I think this whole thing probably took 2.5 hours to put together. Yeah, it wasn't that difficult actually. Just predominantly black and white and silver. And here I went ahead and made a animation to where the model will turn around, then zoom, and then just like the Dark Cloud one, and had the model spin in Blender, not in reverse. Yeah, and then having it come really close, and then, oops, shaking the mic. Yeah, zooming out just like so. So you can see the example right here. Yeah, this was pretty much the workflow. In a second, you'll get to see it all in the finished format, but yeah, it's kind of struggling a little bit. But here it is, final product. I like it. Shadow Squall. This is a fun piece. Shouts out to my Patreons. Much love, you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me. Follow me on all my social medias. It would really help me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.